So normally I've been posting like, what, one video a month? But I'm back at college now. And if I take a look outside my bedroom window, oh man, it's bright out. What is that beautiful piece of machinery sitting out there? Yes, that is my car. Let's get started, guys. Good morning, you sexy son of a beast. Now don't break on me now today, okay? Today's not the day. Not today. Before we get started, I am gonna go run to the gym, go through my morning routine, get back, and we will start speaking about the craziness that is gonna happen with Boostbook. Oh my god, I cannot wait. Make sure you pay close attention to this video because it is gonna dictate every single thing that you guys are watching from here on out. Oh my god, that sound! Woo-hoo-hoo! Jesus. Nothing beats some spool in the morning, let me tell you. Except for a stop sign, that'll stop your spool. Alright guys, we made it to the gym, and I will see you all when I get back. Alright guys, we are back from the gym, and it is time to speak about the future of this S4, the future of Boostbook. Let's get to it. So, we are building this car into a track/race car. Okay, there, it's spoiled. The outside of the car is going to be a track/race car. The engine, the turbos, everything, we're going stage 3, okay? That's what we're doing. We're going stage 3. And everything is going to be DIY, which is incredibly important because how cool is that going to be? A person who's never pulled the engine on a car before, I'm gonna pull the engine, I'm gonna do everything on my own, from the transmission to clutch to flywheel to turbos to fueling, suspension, everything is going to be DIY. You'll be able to watch everything. It's going to be an awesome series for this car. And I don't want to say series, but just like a DIY build on building an S4 from what it is now, stock S4 besides the wheels, tires, and exhaust, to a track car that I'm going to race. So we're going stage 3 build, okay? Let me know in the comments what you want to see. Franken F21 turbos, TL turbos. Do you want to see RS4, KO4? Do you want to see RS6 turbos? Do you want to, you know, what do you guys want to see? What clutch? What fueling? Suspension I already have. And it's going to be incredible. Even the outside of the car is going to look completely different. Everything is going to change. Now, how am I going to afford this as a college student? One, I made a decision that I am going to go home and live my last 2 years at home and travel to a local college. That is going to save a ton of money, and I'm going to be able to save a little bit more, put it back into the car, and be able to really build the car up without living away from home, have access to my tools, and allow the YouTube channel to grow in that aspect. The second way I'm going to try to be able to afford the car build is we're going to 3 videos a week. If you realize, a couple months ago, I posted a video up called Boostbook going full throttle? Yes, it is. We are going to try to go 3 videos a week. 3 videos a week, I feel, will really, you know, it's like the perfect amount of videos, maybe 4 a week. It's going to help grow the YouTube channel. More videos is going to help more views, which is going to help more subscribers. Subscribers is important, and that's really going to help revenue as well. I spoke about revenue, and I have not spent a dime of anything that I've made from you guys from watching my videos. I still have every penny from it. I bought the wheels with my own money. Well, it's both my own money, but I bought the wheels from working my part-time job, and I bought the tires from working my part-time job, and I'm saving that to put into the stage 3 build. So that is going to be there. I'm going to take you guys through the shopping process of, you know, budgeting for the S4. So obviously keep watching the videos, keep liking them, keep sharing them. That's very important. Number 2, I am opening an online store at boostbook.com. I will be opening it in like early summer, and it's going to be a really cool store, okay? It's going to have a lot of S4 merchandise, some really cool shirts regarding S4s, B5s, Audis. It's gonna be really cool. We're gonna probably have like some S4 key tags, some Audi key tags, some different key tags, some stickers, you know, a bunch of different automotive things, and everything, every single penny that I get and every benefit, every proceed I get from the online store is going right back into the car to make you guys awesome content. Now, some of us obviously don't have money to throw around, or perhaps you will when you see some of the cool merchandise that I'm going to release, but the biggest way is to really share my videos around. Comment, share, talk about it, share it on Facebook, follow my Instagram. That's really going to help, guys, because the viewership helps gain ad revenue, and ad revenue goes right back into the car. Like I said, I save every dime of it, and yeah, so watching the videos helps a ton, but I'm really excited for the Boostbook online store. I really think you guys are gonna like it. So the next thing I'm going to open when I get home for this summer is a PO box where you guys could you know, send whatever you want to the PO box. I want to get you guys involved. Write your name, you could write a letter, you could send me whatever you want to, and anything that I get in the PO box will be opened on camera, and I think that would be really cool to get my viewers involved. We're going to capitalize on what we have through Boostbook already to start gaining the viewership up, getting my viewers involved. A lot of YouTubers are just so into the money and so into just like just putting crap content out there just to have content out there. See, that's not really how I am. I want to have good content out there. I'm not going to make an 11-minute long vlog, name it something crazy, and the title is only 50 seconds of the video. I'm not into that, okay? That's not how I want to roll with Boostbook. Boostbook, I wanted it to be like a TV show for you guys. I want it to have good content. So that's the overall goal. We're gonna have reviews coming out for you guys, the car reviews, which I do. We're gonna have S4 videos. I'm gonna start making some comedy videos. It's gonna be a lot of videos coming out, guys. Big things are coming. I'm sorry for this kind of rant, but there's so much information. There's so much information that I probably forgot to say, and you guys are really gonna start seeing the channel grow. And you guys are my OGs. You're the originals, and let's get this, guys. Let's do it. Instagram, boost_book. Follow me if you haven't already. Speak about it. Speak about Boostbook. Speak about it on Facebook. Share it in the Audi groups. Guys, let's do this. Boostbook kicking it off. Thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.